So today we're going to be using some machines to connect each other using the RDP protocol. The RDP protocol is a remote desktop connection. So we're going to go ahead and go into it. We're going to go right here on the first machine. We're going to look at remote desktop connection. And we're going to put the IP address of the second machine we're trying to get remote connect. So it's okay. I'm not sure why. We're going to go ahead and see if we can at least ping it. So we're going to go into the command. We're going to try to ping it, see if it's up and running. We're going to put ping, and we're going to put the IP address. So the ping was successful. I think now we just need to go into the other one and just change it up. So we're going to go to this one. Put in the start menu, we're going to right click on the computer, and we're going to select properties. And from here we're going to go into remote settings. We're going to allow connections. This will allow us to get the remote action that we want. So we're going to go back and try it. Hopefully it should let us. If it isn't, we'll see what it is. So it did let us. So now we're gonna same password and everything that we used. We're gonna put password. So it let us, and we're gonna go ahead and put yes. Click yes. And now it should get us remote access to the Windows machine too. Now usually it actually makes us enable the firewall. This time it didn't. I'm not sure why. We just got lucky, but oh well, we'll take that. So now we're just waiting to actually get remote connection. There's also a way to verify what I'm gonna do right now once it loads up. Now as you can see, we do have remote desktop, and one way to verify it is by we're going to click on start, and then we can look up pretty much everything we can look up right here. We're going to go on the computer, we're going to click on properties. And this right here will pretty much, yes, and we are successful, because you can see right here we're looking at the Windows Machine 2 and we're on the Windows 1, so the remote desktop protocol was successful. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to log off and disconnect. And now we're back to our machine 1. We successfully were able to get remote access to machine 2. And now we're going to configure the routing and remote access server role. So we're on our first machine. We're going to go ahead and click this icon. This icon is the server manager. So now we're here. Now we're going to go ahead and try to find the routing and remote access and the configure and enable remote access. So if I think it should be on configuration. Let's find out. Maybe it's under features. Nope. And then I think it's under network and policy access, and here we go. And we're gonna right click it and we're gonna click configure and enable remote access. Go ahead, press next. You want to make sure that this option is selected, the remote access dial up or VPN. Go ahead, click next. Want to click the VPN action, click next. Want to make sure we're on the first one. Actually, I'm sorry, the second one. I'm sorry. Put next. And you want to put, I'm sorry, you want to make sure it's automatically. You want to make sure all this is automatically. Go ahead and put no. And put finish and OK. Not sure whether this was able to get this. It usually does work. Maybe we should try to do it again. Well, actually it looks like it works, so that includes this slab. Stay tuned for more. We'll be posting more videos and more tutorials. Well, thank you and see you next time.